In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your passion project into $1 million business. It's not as hard as you think. Hi there, my name is Robert Blue, the smart lazy guy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your passion project into $1 million business. A lot of people think it's impossible, but I'm here to tell you that with the right mindset and some hustle, it can be done. So sit back and relax, because I'm going to break it all down for you in this video. Have you ever dreamed of turning your passion project into $1 million business? If so, you are not alone. Many entrepreneurs have amazing ideas, but don't know how to refine them and make them profitable. Now, there are a lot of different steps that go into making this happen. But in this video, we are going to focus on the first step, refining your idea to ensure that your business is profitable. The first thing you need to do is to stop trading your time for money. Instead of working for someone else, it's time to start working for yourself. But before you quit your job, you need to make sure that your passion project is scalable and can be turned into a profitable business. And this fundamental principle, stop trading your time for money, also apply to your passion project. We are here to build a business that will make money while we sleep, right? So the first thing we need to do is find an idea that is scalable and not just doable by the founder. So let's start with the basic. What is your passion project? This is the thing that you love doing, the thing that you are passionate about, and the thing that you want to turn into a business. Once you have defined your passion project, it's time to determine whether or not it can be scaled. The key to turning your passion project into $1 million business is to make sure that it's scalable. This means that it can grow beyond just you and can be replicated by others. For example, if your passion project is baking, you need to make sure that your recipe can be made, produced and sold in multiple locations. Once you have determined that your passion project can be scaled, it's time to research the market. You need to find out if there is a match between your passion project and what the market wants. This means finding out if there is a demand for your product or service and if people are willing to pay for it. We can't just build something we think is cool and hope that people will pay for it. We need to validate our idea with real data. To research the market, we can start by looking at competitors and seeing what they are doing well and what they are missing. We can also talk to potential customers and see if they are interested in what we have to offer. This will give us a good idea of whether or not our idea has the potential to be profitable. After you have researched your market, it's time to create a plan. But don't worry, it doesn't need to be a long, complicated plan. We can predict how the market will react. So we need to be ready to pivot and adjust our plan as needed. This means that you need to be flexible and willing to change your plan as your business grows. We want to make sure we are not spending too much time on planning and not enough time on executing. Now that you have done your research and created a plan, it's time to get started. Launch your passion project and start making money. As you grow, you can start to scale your business, but remember to stay flexible and adaptable. So that's it for today's video. Remember, the key to turning your passion into $1 million business is to make sure that it's scalable, research the market, create a minimalistic plan and get started. Add in the comment below what will be your next step to progress on your passion project. Thanks for watching and we will see you on the next video.